You are welcome to this channel. We shall be looking at the WAEC 2024 May-June theory questions, and we are going to see how to answer the questions. So in today's video, we are starting with question 1a. What is an electrochemical cell? How can you define electrochemical cell? Electrochemical cell can be defined as follows. The first one is it is a setup that consists of two half cells. One for oxidation, and the other for reduction. And it uses the spontaneous redox reaction in the cell that occurs in the cell to generate electricity. There's the first way you can define electrochemical cell. You can also define electrochemical cell as follows. That's another way you can define it, as a device. It is a device that converts chemical energy to electrical energy. It's a device that converts chemical energy to electrical energy. We can also define it this way. I'm trying to give you different definitions, different ways you can define electrochemical cell in an exam. It is also defined as a device that uses the spontaneous chemical reaction, which is redox reaction, that occurs in the cell to produce electricity. This another definition of electrochemical cell. So based on this definition, I would like to make some important notes just to make more explanation. The electrochemical cell we just defined we said that it consists of two half cells. And in the two half cells we have electrodes. So it consists of two electrodes. That's a description of it. Consists of two electrodes in separate half cells. And the electrodes, they are connected by a means of wires to a voltmeter, and the voltmeter measures the potential difference between the electrodes. Potential difference between the two electrodes. And this potential difference is also known as the electromotive force. Electromotive force, that's EMF, electromotive force of the cell. This gives us a full description of what electrochemical cell consists of. So it consists of two electrodes in separate half cells, and the electrodes are connected by means of conducting wires to a voltmeter, and the voltmeter measures the potential difference between the two electrodes, and that potential difference is simply known as the electromotive force, that is EMF of that cell. So you can define electrochemical cell in any of these three ways. So that is the answer to that question 1.